Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about CountAgents in NICE CXone. So this feature helps us identify the current status of the agents. That is, if they are available to answer the call or not, whether they are logged in or not. You can see on your screen the supported script types for this feature, like email, chat, phone, SMS, etc. Now let's see how this action can be used in scripts. So, in the script on your screen, Hours checks if the company is open. If open, count agent feature counts the number of agents available for a specific skill. If one or more agents are available, an agent is requested and the call gets routed to that agent. During after hours, it plays the recorded message and disconnects the call. Now, in Studio Spring, here is another sample of a script. After call begins, it goes through hours, which checks if the office is open, and then count agent takes over to check the available agents. If the agents are not available, it will play the recording asking you to stay on the line or asking you to call back later. And this is how count agents can help you. I hope you were able to learn something new today. See you in the next.